Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday at the Dollar Tree, and we just received another amazing truck delivery filled with $1.25 deals. So let's dive in. Now, I'm starting off in the kitchen goods, and I found a huge amount of Disney items. So the kitchen items I found were this Minnie Mouse whisk. They also have the theme in the Nightmare Before Christmas in gray. Another whisk that I saw was this one, and this one has a combination of Minnie and Mickey Mouse. That one is cute as well. So if you're looking for those whisks and Disney themes, I know there's 3 out there. Now, if you're looking for the bowl scrapers or the spatulas, they had those as well. So this one comes in a gray and white theme. You could get one with Mickey Mouse or you can get one with Minnie Mouse. Now, all of the spatulas have a wood handle, which gives them that higher end look. Now, they do have red spatulas as well, and these feature Minnie and Mickey as well on here. Again, that wood handle is so nice on these, and I suggest if you see any of these Disney items, they go quickly. You want to grab them when you see them. Don't think about it. Don't walk around. Grab them. Another one they have here is gray. So this one says True Love with Mickey and Minnie on there. They had 2 versions of this as well. So be on the lookout for these Disney kitchen utensils. I found mine near the kitchenwares on an end cap. Now, last week I featured a bunch of these magnetic clips in the 3-pack, but I didn't see this Mickey Mouse one. I also did not see the Stitch, and I found that this week. These all have magnets on the back. They also had the Nightmare Before Christmas ones as well, so they have a bunch of collections out. These were a new arrival at my Dollar Tree. These are sink saddles. What these are is they sit over the center of your sink, and you can hang up your sponges, your scrubbers, or anything like that in the little pockets, and they have drain holes. Now, not only that, you could choose from an assortment of colors as shown here. More clips were out at the Dollar Tree. I've never seen this collection. So this is a 4-clip set. These also have the magnets on the back. These are all just $1.25. If you're looking for these 3-packs, they had those as well with gray, blue, and red. And the jumbo clips are sold in a 2-pack in multiple colors at the Dollar Tree as well. Now, these are not just for potato chip bags. You can use these for all kinds of purposes around the home. Now, if you didn't need any quite that big, they have a 3-pack medium clip set in multiple colors as well. These are also just $1.25. For even smaller clips, they have a 5-pack sets with all of the fun colors for $1.25. I picked up a few for my craft area. If you missed out on those lemon bowls last year, they are back, and I'm so excited because these are so pretty. Now, if you get the lemon bowls, don't forget the lids. Some stores put them in a separate section like mine did, but make sure you grab a lid for all of your lemon bowls. Now, in the glassware, they had these cute wine glasses. One side has I do yoga. The other side, it says I drink wine in my yoga pants. I thought that was just too funny. They also have restocked all the mason jars. The full-size mason jars are finally available at my stores. Also, the smaller ones. Now, if you have been watching me for a while, you know I love to craft with these jars. Now, for spring, I love to make little lanterns. So I made this cute little lantern with a smaller jar at Dollar Tree with a little planter. And then moving on to summer, I grabbed those sun hats and I trimmed the larger mason jar out and I made 2 little sconces. For the fall, I added some little leaves from the crafter square to make fall jars. And under Christmas, I made these joy frosted jars. So you can use these all year round in crafts. If you enjoy doing crafts, you can check out the tutorials for all of these DIYs that I'm showing today in the description box below. Now in home decor, they had some items. Look at these iridescent little votive candle holders. Now I remember seeing these last year during the summer, but they are back. Really, really cute little votive jars. They also have these. If you burn incense, they have these new incense holders. I've never seen one that was gray with the little elephant. I think that one is just so super cute. You stick your incense in the little hole and the ash will fall in the dish. They also have some votive candles in candy themes. So they have the sugar daddy. They have the dots. Double bubble scented is there, the junior mints, and also the razzles. So be on the lookout for these. Also in home decor, little framed pieces are starting to come out at my stores, and look at all of these frames. So they have a mom theme frame, and then they have different motivational sayings, positive sayings. They have little characters and nice little colorful arrangements. These are great for a colorful room, a kid's room. You can also use these frames to repurpose because they do come in multiple colors. Some even come with little sequins and little glitter chunks in there. So definitely be on the lookout for these if you love these types of signs. I found a mom sign. This is a mom frame for pictures. The thing is I didn't find a lot of mom things with Mother's Day coming up in May, which was kind of disappointing, but I did see a few extra frames. This one has like a velvety finish, almost like a camel tan type of color. That was new at my store. I've never seen this frame before. Now, on the other hand, I saw a bunch of Father's Day frames out. I mean, a ton of them. So as you can see, all of these have a Father's Day theme. These are basically white, but they have different colors blended into them, along with different patterns and designs like stripes, stars. Here's some with little blue circles on them, and they all have kind of different sayings on them. And as you can see, they did have a bunch of them at the Dollar Tree if you're looking to shop Father's Day early. Now these would be great to include with dad's gifts. And they even had these. Look, these dad ones are really nice. I've repurposed these before, so these are really nice as well. So be on the lookout in your frame section. They did not leave out your fur baby. So I did see the puppy theme frames at the Dollar Tree. There were a few available at my store. So if you are looking for something to kind of feature yourself or your fur baby or together, definitely check out the frames. You might have to dig a little, but they may be hiding in there, but they're fun to have around. I hopped over to the craft section and look what I spotted. This is a solid wood box with hinges. I have never seen a solid one. I've seen some with carvings and things, but this was a rare find for me. You guys, there were not many on the shelves. I did grab them when I see them. Definitely check these out. And fabric. Of course I had to go buy the fabric, you guys. With all of the news of Joann's shutting down and your fabric sources are now being limited, I definitely take a closer look at the fabric sections at my Dollar Tree. And what I came across today was this box of kind of a flannel feel fabric. You can see it has all these beautiful spring patterns and plaids and mixtures and combinations. These are great for all kinds of projects, whether you want to do a quilt piece together or you want to make baby items. This would be perfect for that for $1.25. Now, some more items in fabric are these rolls. Now, this is more of a plush type of fabric, and this is like a collection here. So you could get a mixture of prints and you could get a mixture of solids, and you can combine them together in one project or use them however you wish. Now, all of these fabric cuts are fat quarter size, so they're the perfect little size where you don't have to commit yourself to a full yard of fabric if you're not going to use it. They even have little animal prints for the kiddos. Look at this one with all the animals, and they have some with elephants, very unisex for a boy or a girl. If you love diamond painting, they have new diamond painting kits at the Dollar Tree. This one features butterflies and flowers. So really pretty. Another one that they had was a tulip. Look at this, so pretty, and it has that blue cloudy sky in the background. If you just want to give this a try, these are the perfect kits to start out with. You can also get a mountain scene with a little stream on there. Everything is included in this package. to make this diamond painting. And if you've been looking for the little diamond keychains, I wanted to let you know they are popping up back at my Dollar Tree, so be on the lookout for those as well. I showed you the disco balls last week, but look what I found this week. A disco ball sippy cup with a straw. These are back from last year. Fun to use for their intended purpose or for crafts. They also have this. This is another item that's restocked. So this is a balloon hoop, but I could see so many possibilities in your crafting arena to use this item. Happy Mardi Gras. It is Mardi Gras time, you guys. And look, they have all the beads at the Dollar Tree and the traditional Mardi Gras colors. They also have an assortment of Mardi Gras masks. Now, I am located on the East Coast, so I didn't have quite as many, but if you are closer to the New Orleans area, I'm sure you are finding more than this. I had to swing by the books this time because my Dollar Tree just restocked this section and I love it. So as you can see, there are a ton of different books in here, different sizes, shapes, and colors. Whether you choose to engage in nice reading, or if you decorate your home with books or even craft with them, it's always great to kind of swing by to see what they may have in this section. And this time my Dollar Tree did deliver with a bunch of different books. So be sure to swing by this section. You never know what you're going to find. In the garden section, I found this new planter. This is really nice. So it has that modern kind of look with all the geometrical shapes on it. You can get this in white and also in black. I definitely picked up a few for my home, so be sure to check these out. These were very impressive. Nice size planters, and they have a heavy weight to them, even though that they are plastic. Now, if you look at that texture, it has that speckled stone texture, and you could get these in gray, black, or almost like a stone or khaki color. You guys, these are impressive. I'm sure you need to get these. You just need to get them. They are very nice. So I did pick up some for my home as well for $1.25. We know Dollar Tree is coming out with candy everything, and they have included flip-flops in it. Look, you guys, Tootsie Roll, Double Bubble, fluffy stuff. They have so many different ones, so definitely grab them now for summer. In the health and beauty, the Bolero Kids has come out with a new line, and this is the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. They have 3 different scents in here. They've got the strawberry, watermelon, peaches, and sweet vanilla. They also have raspberry banana smoothie, and this is a 2-in-1, you guys. These items are starting to pop up at the Dollar Tree. Now, another set that they have, this was the hand wash. Now, they do have the same scents, the strawberry, watermelon, peaches, and sweet vanilla, and the raspberry banana smoothie. Now, I do believe there are other pieces and parts to this collection, but these are the only 2 that I spotted this week at Dollar Tree. But if they do come out with more, I'm definitely going to showcase them to you guys. They have this Be Pure hair oil that just popped up in my Dollar Tree. I am so excited to finally find some type of hair oil. So if you're looking for this, definitely check it out. Now, I flipped it over so you guys can pause and read the ingredients if you want to, but definitely check this out. I love that it has a really nice heavyweight glass bottle. And look at this, 6 packs of razors. This is the cutting edge brand. The packaging is very impressive on this. Plus, it's an item you can grab to put in Dad's gift basket. So check those out at the Dollar Tree. If you're looking for the hand sanitizer sprays in the tall bottles, they did have those. Be on the lookout. You could refill those smaller ones if you want to. And for the kiddos, they have their own sanitizer spray line. You can get a red Spider-Man. They have this one, the red Hot Wheels container. They have a hot pink Hot Wheels as well, which is really great. So glad to see that. You could get a light pink Barbie version of the sanitizer spray. And for Crayola, they had multiple colors like this yellow one. You could get this in like a dark green hand sanitizer spray. They have a light blue Barbie too. If you're looking for the light blue one, you can get a blue Crayola and also a dark blue Hot Wheels. These are great to throw in the kids' backpack in their lunchbox to make sure their hands stay sanitized. Now, for us grown-ups, check this out. The BioPure line has a portable little container of handy wipes with a chain and a hook. I've never seen these before at my store. They're just so super cute, and it's a 20 pack. Now, I did see this scent, and I also saw the yellow one at my store. So these are the only two that I've seen so far, but I just think having that little chain and the hook there, you can hook it onto a handbag or a backpack. Also in the health and beauty in the medication section, look at these pill holders. So you get 2 of them in this pack in clear or blue. You could use these for pills or for crafts. Think about small stones, your diamond beads, even thumbtacks, things like that. You definitely can use this for that. And don't forget the teeth care for the littles. They have the Crayola brand, the Blimpy, and they also have Hot Wheels with the toothbrush and the cup. This comes with a 3-piece set, so check those out for Easter baskets. Now this was an interesting find. I've never seen these. So these are the Crazy Glitter hair strands pieces. This is the little glam pieces you stick in your hair, probably for the teens and the tweens. Now these are 36 inches long, so check those out as well. Now there was a lot of things also from the April spa bath items, including this 2-piece set with like a pad with a loofah on it and then a textured pad, all $1.25. Another item is they have this 2-pack of soap bags. You could put your soap inside to add a little texture to your soap bar when you use them in the bath. So those come in a 2-pack. They also had loofahs, you guys, and these loofahs are mounted on a wooden stick. So you can get these in ivory, blue, or green, kind of staying with that neutral colorway. All these are $1.25 and will look great in a gift basket together. Check these out. Not a bath item, but look, these are those little cups. I use these all the time for mouthwash in the bathroom. I've never seen a 100 pack of cups for $1.25. They're always sold in like a 20 or 30 pack, so grab these while they last. Now they had some new food items at the Dollar Tree and name brand as well. So check out this family size Chex cereal. This is the vanilla Chex, you guys. Huge family size box, $1.25. It's selling for $4.50 at Walmart. Such a better deal at Dollar Tree. They also have this gingerbread toast crunch. Again, another box, fresh and in date, something you could stock up on and last you the next few months if you want it. Now, I looked this up as well. This was selling for $3.65 on Amazon. Next to that, they have a Rudolph cereal. I've never seen this before at Dollar Tree, but they have this. It's a collector's edition, another item fresh and in date, $1.25 at Dollar Tree, but online it's being sold by an online seller for $2.99. Now on the other end cap, I found this sugar cookie toast crunch. That was another new item that I spotted that definitely sounds very interesting. Now, when I looked up the price of that, I saw it listed at Kroger, and it was listed for $4.49 so Dollar Tree, $1.25 for the win on all of these name brand cereals. Another name brand item is this Old El Paso cornbread. Now you can get this in the Southwest recipe, or you can get them in the cinnamon churro recipe. $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, but on Walmart.com, they're selling it for $2.66. So definitely grab these at the Dollar Tree if you see them. Now this thing here, this is the Stain on the Go pack. They come now with the remover and the pin in one pack. So if you see these, grab them. Such great deals today. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you could check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects to inspire you to be creative too. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It's absolutely free. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.